Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Dave from Cooper Motorcycles again, and here today we have nice commuter all-rounder Yamaha FZ6 phaser. This example is a 2010 bike and has 34,000 miles on it, 3 owners, and it also has a part service history. The bike is fitted with ABS, it has Ermax side screens, R&G crash protection, and also a very handy addition, a centre stand for cleaning wheels, adjusting chains, etc. To come around the back, we've also got a nice pair of Scorpion cans, Scorpion underseat pipes. Just give her a nice sound, and she does have a few little kind of marks round about, age-related wear, but generally speaking, she's in pretty good fettle. The bike does come with a 12-month electrical and mechanical guarantee from ourselves. Also has been through the workshop and will have a full PDI done prior to the bike coming out. If I can just show you, new chain and sprocket is relatively new, and the bike is also fitted with a chain guard and a rear hugger, so really all the accessories that you would require. I'm just going to start her up now and just let you have a little listen.